If you've ever accidentally deleted important files like photos, videos, or work documents and thought they were gone forever, this video might actually save you a lot of stress. So I'm going to be using an example, which is the test folder right here. So I'm going to click that. I've got these 3 photos of cars, 1, 2, 3 of those, and we're going to be deleting the photos over here with the folder as well, and we're gonna recover them using the Stellar data recovery. So I'm actually gonna be testing and exploring around on how to use the Stellar data recovery app and see if it actually works and how easy it is to use and whether it's worth paying for. And of course, no hype, it's just a walkthrough. So if we go to the website here for the Stellar company, they have the free download, which is what we have currently for this video, and we do have the buy now option. So it works for Windows as well as Mac, and you've got the subscription here, which is 1-year license, or you could have it as a lifetime license. And when you have it as a lifetime license, of course, you just pay it and that's it. You own it forever. It's like, Microsoft Word or anything like that. So if we go ahead and explore the benefits here, I'm just going to be covering the professional and premium because when I saw the technician one, it had some extra stuff that I'm not really heavy tech savvy on. But let's go ahead and look at the professional and premium. So we're going to be concentrating on recovering photos, videos in this video that I'm making. So it's going to be recovering everything. Now the difference here that I really found interesting is the premium version, which is going to also not only recover everything for you, but it also does video repair, like corrupt video files. I'm pretty sure a lot of people, and I've had this in my lifetime, where I've encountered corrupted video files and like photos and all that stuff, which is also here. So that is actually covered in the premium one. I mean, the price difference between the two isn't that bad. And when we roll down here for the technician part, it says the RAID recovery. I'm not sure what those are, but I think for the heavy tech, people out there can figure it out. So basically, Stellar Data Recovery is a software designed to recover deleted or lost files from hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, and SD cards as it's shown over here. So going back to the desktop after I downloaded, and then this is how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna wait for it to initialize. Now, this is what you're supposed to see. This is the demo version, which is when I said that you could download it for free. So this is how it's gonna look like. So you start by choosing what kind of files you're trying to recover, then select the drive they were on. So what I really like here is that the layout is simple, which I really like, and nothing is confusing. So for the case of this video, just to speed things up, and because this is the demo version and my computer is a huge giant, because as you can see it's a 4 TB and I do have tons of gigabytes that I've used, I'm gonna go ahead and use a USB which is gonna be on this PC, and as you can see it's over here and it's an empty file. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this test folder with the pictures, and I'm just gonna put it over here, and as you can see it's uploading inside, and here are the pictures again, the ones with the cars, and I'm gonna go back again here and I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. So we have an empty USB now, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go click on what to recover. I'm gonna, filter it out over here, and it's gonna be photos. So I'm gonna go click next, and we're gonna be choosing the SanDisk that I've put in, and I'm gonna go ahead and click scan. So it is gonna take quite a while because this USB that I've used is actually pretty old in my case, and it does have a lot of files that have been deleted and removed in and out. And you could actually check here on what's being scanned. So we're just gonna wait it out. And as we can see here, we do see some files popping up with the folders and all that stuff. Alright, so now that it has scanned enough on 35%, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the scanning. And as we can see, this is the USB that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the classic list tab. And as you can see, now we see the test folder. I'm gonna go ahead and click, and here are the 3 photos that we deleted, and you can also preview. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and the last one. And just to let you guys know, the demo version is not gonna let you preview anything that is over 10 megabytes. So these are 1.87, 1.48, that's why it was able to show me. So if you're gonna go ahead and let's say we wanna recover the first one here. So if I'm gonna click recover, and this is where it's gonna take you to the, you have to pay for it and all that stuff. And then you go ahead and put in the activation key over here. So as a final assessment, I would say that the pros is that it's easy to use. It supports a lot of file types. It lets you preview files first, and it is compatible with any drives you have. Just like in this video, I used my USB, and I was actually pretty shocked that it was bringing me files from back when I deleted back in 2018, something like that. I would say the cons are that the deep scans take time, and the recovery requires the paid version, which is, it is a pretty standard thing for an app like that. And I think that the quick scans also take some time, but it's still okay. It depends on what you have, stored in a drive. So I would say this is a good option if you've accidentally deleted imported files, formatted a drive, or lost data that you really can't afford to lose. You can get this recovery app down in the description below, and thanks for watching.